Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the captivating voice of nature and its profound impact on our lives. Nature speaks to us in a language unlike any other. Its voice can be heard in the rustling leaves, the gentle hum of a waterfall, and the symphony of birdsong. It is a voice that transcends words, reaching deep into our souls, reminding us of our connection to the world around us. Nature's voice is a source of inspiration. It has the power to soothe our restless minds, to calm our worries, and to awaken our senses. When we immerse ourselves in nature's symphony, we discover a harmony that resonates within us, bringing us peace and tranquility. Nature's voice is not limited to a single melody. It is an orchestra of sounds. It has a unique message, each with its own. The wind whispers, as like as they want to tell ancient tales. Carrying the secrets of the earth. The waves crash against the shore, echoing the vastness and power of the ocean. The songbirds fill the air with melodies that celebrate life and freedom. As we tune into nature's voice, we become more attuned to the world around us. We learn to listen with intention. We recognize the delicate balance of ecosystems. Nature teaches us valuable lessons with her all around, with her all effects. But the voice of nature is not just a source of personal enrichment. It carries a message of urgency and responsibility. In a world facing environmental challenges, it reminds us of our role as stewards of the planet. It urges us to protect and preserve the delicate ecosystems that sustain life in all its forms. Let's embrace nature's voice and amplify it through our actions. By nurturing the environment, conserving resources, and advocating for sustainable practices, we can ensure that future generations can also experience the profound beauty and wisdom that nature has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the voice of nature. May its melodies guide us towards a harmonious coexistence with the natural world. Remember, by listening and acting, we can make a difference.